Hey guys, I have a couple of quick things to say, comments to make. I don't really know what I'm trying to say, except that I have not been motivated to post anything on Instagram this whole week. I don't know what's going on with me. My motivation is a big fat donut hole. But something just occurred to me that I thought would be useful and helpful to share, so I'm here to share it. First thing, just a reminder, this is important every single day, whether you're dealing with hair loss, wigs, relationships, hard things. Be strong and courageous. You can do it. God's got your back. Second thing, if you are struggling with your wigs, one of the things that happens to us, we go through these phases where suddenly we don't like our wigs. Every single one we own looks terrible and you're just not feeling it. Style it up in a headband. This is a lace front wig and I'm not sick of it, but I didn't want to wear it down today. And I have got a gazillion headbands, but most recently I purchased a whole bunch of these beautiful handmade by women headbands from Wander and Arrow. I have so many more than these. And it is such a perfect way to change up the look of your wig, make it look more natural, make you feel like you have your own hair back. And all I did was stick it in a claw clip. This will work with nearly any wig. If you have a wig that does not have a lace front so you can't pull it up, if it has bangs, you can wear the bangs down, or you can switch this headband around so that the bottom is in the back and the thicker part is in the front, or you can get some other headbands. But on days when you're having a rough time, there are so many ways for you to move forward even when you're not feeling it. The first way is to say a prayer. Get into the Word. Find a Bible verse that speaks to you and repeat it to yourself. Get a t-shirt with that verse on it. This shirt is from @ellyandgrace.com. I will tag them in this. They did not send this to me. They have never one time sponsored any comment I've made about their products. They've never given me a discount. I just love their stuff. My favorite cut are their ladies fit, I think is what it's called. And in the Triblend colors, because those are super soft and they're so, just look at how flattering. Secondly, if you wear wigs, just play with them, style them, find a way. Wander and Arrow is another small woman-owned business like Elly and Grace. And if you want to support faith-based, women-owned companies, both of them would be great. I know Elly and Grace is. I think Wander and Arrow is. I think I've seen her post scripture and about her love for Jesus. So another example. The wig I have on my head is from Deborah's Enchanted. It is a wavy human hair piece. I've reviewed some of her wigs in the past. deborahsenchanted.com. deborahsenchantedboutique.com. That's really all I wanted to come and say. You guys, I'm your girlfriend. That's the way I think of myself. When I'm speaking to my camera, I'm thinking about each and every one of you, all of you who reached out to me, who I've talked to on the phone, who I've video called with, who've commented in my posts and my videos, who've messaged me, who've emailed me. All of you guys are in my mind when I'm thinking about what can I put out here that's going to be helpful, that's going to encourage you, lift you up, give you ideas, give you good resources, and bless you. I'm not here for me. I'm not here for me, you guys. I'm here for you. And I think my lack of motivation lately is I feel I don't want this to be just advertising. I love doing product reviews and I love showing you guys things. But when it starts to feel like I'm trying to sell you something, then I need to stop, because that's not my goal. My goal is always to show you things that I think could be helpful, to introduce you to new resources, because I never know who's looking for something. Every time I have a chance to show a new wig or a new wig company, I say yes, because I never know who's looking for that. When I talk about products that I love, I share them because they've blessed me and maybe they'll bless someone else. I rambled longer than I meant to. I got to finish dinner, but I just wanted to get on here and give you guys that encouragement, tell you about a few things. If you've made it this far, then you're a true sister, and I appreciate you. I hope that this meant something positive in your life. Let me know if it did. Thanks for watching.